Eu quero ver, ô menina, eu quero ver. Eu quero ver você agora embolar. Eu quero ver, ô menina, eu quero ver o carimbó do macaco que eu fiz pra você cantar. Eu quero ver, ô menina, eu quero ver.
Hey guys, welcome to Outfit of the Day, live from Cuba. And sorry for the delay of videos because I don't have like any internet. And if you do get internet here, you have to pay for it and you only get it for an hour. And you have to get like this certain card and it's only for one device. So we just didn't get any internet here, so I will be publishing this after I get back. But moving on to the actual point of this video. Okay, so the shirt, the striped one, I got from Aeropostale, and it's just a spaghetti strap, and I got it like a little while ago, so I'm not sure if it's still there. My skirt I got from Ardeen, and it should still be there, and it's just like a ruffly bubble skirt, and it has like flowers on it. Now for my jacket, I got this at Blue Notes, and I really like it because it's just like nice. Well, it's not really a jacket, it's more of a vest, but it's like it's nice, so yeah. And for my sunglasses, I think I got these at Ardeen, but I got them like a year ago, so yeah. Bye guys.
É macaco, caco, macaco, 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 uau, macaco, ó do macaco, macaco do macaco.